We're known for our chocolates, of course. But we also make popcorn. We use an Orville Redenbacher hybrid, and we make probably the best chocolate-coated caramel corn in the nation. I think we were the first company to do it. Now it's a global product. I think chocolate and stout makes a good mix. And we're really good at chocolate, so we teamed up two great Indiana companies, and we've come up with a chocolate stout. My personal favorite things we make are Hoosiers. And that's what's exactly in the stout, the chocolate stout. A layer of peanuts surrounded in chocolate with a cream peanut butter center. Unbelievable. My dad was a candy maker, and he taught me everything I knew. I went to college and came back and worked for my dad, and the rest is history. So I'm really a second generation chocolate maker. We produce over 1 million pounds. That's a lot. In northern Indiana, you can get it at the South Bend Chocolate Company. You can also get it statewide at Sun King, any Sun King tasting room, and the South Bend Chocolate Company, the Barfly at the Michiana Airport, and the Howard Park Public House.